Very good morning, children. Once again, welcome to the online classes. Hope you are all safe. So today you are going to learn the subject English writing. English writing. Okay, children. So in the previous class, what did you learn? In the previous class, we learned pattern writing. What? Pattern writing. So we'll revise once the pattern writing and then start with the next portion. Okay? Dot, dash, dot, standing line, dash, sleeping line, curves, up curve, down curve, zigzag. Okay, children? So in the previous class, what pattern writing did you learn? Dot, standing line, dash, sleeping line, curves, up curve, down curve, and zigzag. So today you are going to start with the alphabets. Okay? So which is the first alphabet you are going to learn? That is capital A, small a. So how you are going to write? See, children, this is the 4 lines book. This is the classwork. You have to write one time in classwork and one time in homework. Can you see this 4 lines book? Yes? This is the way you have to write. Okay, parents are requested to kindly write and give them so that your child can practice in the book. This is classwork. The same thing you have to do one time in the homework. So I'll teach you now how to write capital A, small a. A for what? A for apple. A for apple. Okay, now let's start writing. Now how do you write capital A? From this is red line, blue line, red line. Now you start from the red line to the blue line, slanting line. Okay, capital A, small a, capital A, small a. What, children? Capital A, small a. And you also learn slanting line also. Okay? Again repeat, from the red line to the blue line. Red line to the blue line. Capital A, small a. A for apple. Again, from the red line to the blue line. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Next. Capital A, 2 times you have to write. Okay? I showed you in the book, right? So in the same way you have to write. Full page. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. You should write like this, children. Neatly you should touch the red and the blue line. Which is red line? Red line, blue line, blue line. You should not write like this. This should not come from this red line to this red line. This is wrong. Okay? You have to touch from the red line to the blue line. Okay? Now repeat. A for apple. Capital A, small a. Repeat, children. Say what I am saying. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Again repeat. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Okay? Again I'll show you the book. This is how you have to write in the 4 lines book. This is classwork. Can you see? Yes. And in the same thing you have to write one time in the homework. 1 page in the classwork and 1 page in the homework. Okay, children? Write neatly. Parents are requested to kindly help the child. You can try to hold the hand also and write. Try to help them. And in the homework, write on your own. You should touch the red and the blue line. Okay, children? Okay, today you learned English writing. The next you're going to learn English oral. Next is English oral. Okay, we'll revise from the previous letters. Okay. Okay. What letter is this? Capital A, small a. A for apple. Repeat. Capital A, small a. A for apple. Next. Capital B, small b. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Next. Capital C, small c. C for cat. C for cat. Next. Capital D, small d. D for doll. D for doll. Next. Capital E, small e. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next. Capital F, small f. F for fish. F for fish. Next. Capital G, small g. G for grapes. G for grapes. Next. Capital H, small h. H for hen. H for hen. Next. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next. J. Capital J, small j. J for jug. J for jug. Next. K. K for kite. Capital K, small k. K for kite. Next. L. Capital L, small l. L for lotus. Okay, children. So, in the previous class, up to L you learned. So, this class you are going to learn from capital M, small m. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. Next. Capital N, small n. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. Next. Capital O, small o. O for orange. O for orange. Capital O, small o. O for orange. O for orange. Next. Capital P, small p. P for parrot. P for parrot. Capital P, small p. P for parrot. P for parrot. Next. Capital Q, small q. Q for quill. Q for quill. Capital Q, small q. Q for quill. Q for quill. Now next. Capital R, small r. R for rose. Or you can say R for rat also. Capital R, small r. R for rat. R for rat. Okay, children, today in English writing you learned how to write capital A, small a. And in English oral you learned from capital A to capital R. Okay, children. So in the next class we'll learn much more. Okay, thank you.